Hello, I'm Nico, the gardening guru, here today to teach you how to grow like a pro with what I like to call sprout sanctuaries. In other words, seedling trays. While interning at the grow house in Denver, Colorado, I got the opportunity to learn that all the pros sprout their seeds in trays. And now I feel compelled to help teach you what I have learned. Let's spring right into reviewing the seedling trays. As you can see, they are growing great. However, there are a few things that are not so great about these seedling trays. Like after about a week, the seedlings hit the roof, making them really fragile while transplanting. Luckily for you, I included in the description a few different seedling trays that will allow you to grow strong seedlings. These are pretty sweet. I transplanted some seeds the other day and you can see that they're doing pretty nicely. Feel free to contact me and send me your seedling trays and your progress, and let's grow together. One more thing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and help us hit our goal of 100 subscribers. And thank you, Unifiers.